Welcome to Woodload, the latest flip property that we have here. It's a great house, great neighborhood. We are going to be reworking the floors, updating paint. Look at these high ceilings. This is going to be great. Trees. Deuce does not come with the property though, sorry guys. Awesome fireplace here. Into formal dining. All of this is going to get reworked to new floors. Updating the walls here, updating the fixtures. And this comes around into the kitchen area. Big kitchen. Countertops are going to get updated. The cabinets are going to get brightened up and updated. A lot of good light that's going to come in here. Big breakfast nook here. Huge kitchen that this is going to be awesome for entertaining, having gatherings, family, all that good stuff. Coming out of the kitchen, got these floors it's going to update, these huge windows here. I mean, my gosh, look at all this natural light. Here's the entryway going back into the family room and the formal dining. Turn right here, you go upstairs. We got the powder room right here off the entryway. We got the primary suite back here, tall ceilings. Floors are gonna get redone. Paint, all the trim work's gonna get updated. Look at this huge primary bathroom here. His and her closet. Just a lot of light in here too. This is all gonna get updated here. Fixtures, countertops, all that good stuff. His and hers counters, his and hers vanities, all that good stuff. As we come up the steps with this big, huge windows, open stairway here. We've got a family room, playroom right here. We've got bedroom number 1. Everything is going to get reworked in here. Updated the carpets, update the trim, update the paint. I got a Jack and Jill bathroom. Update the countertops here as well. Update the trim. Might keep the blue trim. What do you think? Bedroom number 2, this shares the Jack and Jill there, same thing. Gonna update this wallpaper, gonna update the paint and floors, update the trim. Got a little nook over here, could use as a little office or something like that. We're gonna give this, spruce this up. Carpet's gonna get spruced up, bring it into 21st century. And then last, bedroom number 3 has got kind of the guest ensuite, back over here. It's a little bit bigger. It's got kind of a higher ceiling. Same thing. Gonna get the trim, the paint, the floors updated. In the bathroom here as well. Floors, cabinets, counter. Maybe we'll keep this pink wallpaper. What do you guys think? Pink wallpaper? Yes or no? Keep it? Let us know. Peach, pink, whatever this color is. Secondary bathroom here, we're gonna get that updated. Maybe we'll also keep the little butterflies there. What does everyone think? All right guys, Woodload, what do you think? No, you're not interested in coming upstairs? Downstairs only for juice doggies? Come on. Nope. Okay.
We are Everson Cooper, your as-is home buyer.